Get a load of those sagging power lines and check out these branches here in downtown Sioux Falls. In fact, this one right here, the sagging tree, these branches dropped off in the middle of one of my live outside weather hits during the show this morning. Over here by the county administration building, these trees have been sagging and drooping, and branches have been dropping off of those trees left and right here as well. And you know, with everything that's happened, one would think that we were pretty close to done here with this system, but I'm telling you, that's not even close to the case. We have a major snowfall yet to come, 6 to possibly 10 inches of accumulation likely here in Sioux Falls later today through tonight. In fact, this thing is going to stick around probably into tomorrow afternoon, even into tomorrow night. And we've already had some good moisture. Stinks that it had to come in the form of ice and tree cracking, freezing rain, but 2.79 over in Sioux Rapids, Iowa, report of over 2 inches in Hurley, an inch 42 in Sioux Falls with 1.2 of that. I don't know if you'd call it snow, probably more like sleet pellets. Hartford 86 hundredths with 4.1 inches, Kennebec 7 inches. We've had about 25 inches of snow accumulation reported in Rapid City from yesterday and this morning, which is a pretty incredible number. All right, here's our winter storm warning. This is in effect for almost all of South Dakota into Minnesota, northern Iowa. This lasts through 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So we have a pretty good ways to go here as this system continues to develop. This morning, a little light freezing rain in Sioux Falls. Snow's going to develop here by late morning and into early afternoon, becoming heavy by late today into tonight. And as you can see here on the hour-by-hour forecast, a lot of deep blues there. That's heavy snow. We could see about 6 to 10 inches of accumulation here in Sioux Falls. Some places north of Sioux Falls, especially up here, Watertown, Marshall, into west central Minnesota. Wouldn't be surprised to see a couple of places with up to 12 inches of snow by the time this is all over and done with. So we've had broken trees, power outages now. We're going to pile about 6 to 10 inches of snow on top of that. Here we are at noon tomorrow, still snowing. Tomorrow, late afternoon, tomorrow evening, light snow will continue to finally work its way out. Here's the snow forecast. Again, in Sioux Falls, I'm forecasting 6 to 10 inches now of accumulation. There could be a few pockets of 10 plus, maybe even up to 12 across west central Minnesota and extreme eastern parts of South Dakota. This is great moisture, man. This is going to help put a dent in the drought. But I think that we all probably could have used more just rain and less of the ice and sleet that we had. But we could see another inch on top of everything we've had up to this point. So there is some good news that's coming along with the system. A lot of power outages still. Temperature today high in Sioux Falls of about 32. It's going to be a struggle to melt a lot of that ice off the trees here today. So be watching for falling branches and power lines throughout the day today. That's what's going on. We'll get a break by Friday and then a little more light rain with highs in the 40s by the weekend. You know, actually, we should be in the 50s, mid to upper 50s right now. That's not happening. All right, that's what's going on. Check back for updates here throughout the day as the storm continues to develop.